Oh, yeah! Fuck yeah! Give us another one! Give us another one!
I'm back. Sorry for the delay in uploads. There was a fire, my workshop flooded, and I got sick. Oh, and congratulations to the Hacksmith on 3 million subscribers. I'm honestly just waiting until he gets that diamond play button. Now I've wheeled what I'm going to use for the chassis into the workshop. Well, I didn't actually wheel it because the wheels were seized, but that's besides the point. Okay, let's get started.
Okay, we got our chassis. One of those old kit go-karts. And it's seen better days. The drive axle's rusted to all hell. A funnel web spider is shacked up in the exhaust. The drive chain is a universal rust brown, so that needs to be replaced. The brake caliper is seized. The fuel system has become home to some form of colony spider. The tires are flat as hell, and the hydraulic brake is completely seized, so that'll need to be probably replaced. And another spider has shacked up on the hydraulic fitting. And the entire setup looks like it's been stored in a barn shed for about 5 years. It's because it has.
A brawl is surely brewing. And begin!
I took the wheel off, so I'll have to replace it with power steering, so I'll just use a linear actuator to tilt the wheels. And I'm going to replace the petrol motor with an electric one because that's just way simpler. My next project's going to be a bit smaller. It's going to be related to thermoelectric generators and supercapacitors, so that's going to be fun. Just waiting on the supercapacitors to come in. Anyway, so let's hope I can keep to a schedule where I don't leave a month and a bit long gap in between videos.